Okay, so now that the sealer has dried, we are going to do the final step, which is putting the diamond glaze on the eyes, which is going to really bring them to life, give them kind of a three-dimensional look. And for that, I use a 18-aught liner brush, and I like one that's kind of old and that has a little bit of a curl on the very tip of it. This one I saved just for doing this because with the little curl on the end, it keeps the diamond glaze from getting up into the upper eyelid so that it doesn't make your eyelid shiny. So I just saved these specifically for that. So we're going to put some on the tip of this brush. And I always start at the top and I try to keep it just a tiny bit away from the upper lid. Turn it this way. You kind of have to work sort of fast, but not, you know, not so that it gets messy, but it dries pretty quickly. And if you don't get it spread right away, it'll make little lumps. Alright. And I usually do 2 coats of this just to, you know, give it a little depth and make it look really, really real. So once this one dries, then I would apply another coat.
Does it go on the pupil and the iris, or just the pupil?
The whole color of the eye gets and so that's the final step, other than putting the second coat on. And then she'll be ready for clothes and wigs and shoes and ready to have fun with.
How long do you let that dry for the first coat?
The diamond glaze, I usually let it dry about 20 minutes and then make sure it's good and hard, and then I put the second coat on.